everyone, I am here today to unbox the November Delilah box for 2020. This one is really neat. I love how it's in another sewn bag. The last few months it's been in a box, so it's in another sewn bag. So let's go ahead and check out what's in here. And if you don't know or you haven't really checked out my videos before, the Delilah box is basically a box for biblical fiction lovers. So you're going to get at least one biblical fiction book, you're going to get another book, and then a few little trinkets inside each month. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, so I grabbed out the other books. So this is not the biblical fiction book. This month we have The Brother's Keeper by Beth Wiseman, which is an Amish book. And then we have, for the biblical fiction book, which is the featured book, we have Counted with the Stars by Connellan Cassette. So that is the book that we have for this month. As with every Delilah box, you always have the little devotional guide that Taylor writes for you, and then you also have what's actually included in here. So let's see what we got this month. We actually got, along with it, a $5 gift card for graceanddelilah.com. We have some really cute herbal teas that look like they're perfect for the holidays. Those look really cute. And then the little sticks inside are honey sticks. And then we have this cute little bag, and inside the bag we have a little enamel pen that says Bookmobile, which is pretty much me. I'm always got a book somewhere. And then let's see what else we have in here. We always get a notepad every single month, so we've got a notepad for the month. I love these, honestly. I love notepads because I'm always using notepads, and we always get a pen every single month that says the Delilah box on it. And I love those because, you know, if you have pens in your house and you have kids, they're always going to go missing. Then we have a little packet of Folgers Instant Coffee. And then I believe this is just a little advertisement from Grace and Delilah about her fall candle collection, which is kind of cute. I'm still wanting a New York candle because I'm from New York. So that was our box for this month. This was the November box again. It is a super cool box. I love getting this every single month. Even if I've already read one of the books, I usually just gift it to a friend. So this was everything that we ended up getting in here, and overall I'm really impressed. I've gotten this every month since January, and I always look forward to it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and to watch for more unboxings.